let's go on to our final segment.
Okay.
This is the rapid fire. Okay. Very simple stuff. So, first question: top 3 aspects you look for in a pitch deck.
Okay. Problem statement, founder, and market.
What's an immediate red flag in a founder?
Lies. Trust is key.
What's a huge green flag in a business model?
Cash flow. Positive cash flow.
The highest amount of money you have lost in an investment.
Currently, none of in personal investment.
Or in a team that you worked on in a VC.
So thankfully, none of our companies we've lost any money. And personal investments, I have done a few startup investments as well. Those are also going great as of now.
Okay, touch wood.
Touch wood, yeah. Wow. Okay, in that case, the most amount of money you've made in an investment.
All of it is on paper right now. Personal investments. So that's how it is until you get an exit.
Correct. Yeah. Fair. Your most favorite startup founder ever?
I really like Kunal Shah for his. I think he gives very good Twitter wisdom, and I've seen him speak a lot. He is very clear on what he's building. How that replicates into the company over the years in the model is what we have to see. But as a founder, I do realize why he's got the backing of the amounts of fundraising because of the founder promise.
Interesting. Which out of Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft do you respect the most?
Facebook, Apple,
Apple.
the FANG.
Yeah.
Except for Netflix. Wow, that's a very tough one because all I can think of is why I don't like that. Why I don't like that. I think Microsoft. Microsoft because of its distribution. Although even others would have their distribution, but I think more ethical is what I would like to believe.
For some, my mind always goes to Apple, in terms of respect, only because. So every year when the iPhone comes out, right, everyone shits on every new iPhone when it comes out because they're like, what has changed from last year?
Yeah.
And my saying to them is always that Apple is not a hardware company. It's a software company. Yeah. They are pulling you into their ecosystem because of the seamlessness. If you see, every product that Apple makes, someone else makes it.
Yeah.
But it's the software and all of the software that's pulling them all together that pulls you in. So the idea is not that, hey, you bought an iPhone 15, it's not that much better than a 14. Is that when the iPhone 17 is launched and you're still on the 14, you're still having the time of your life.
Yeah.
That's what matters.
And it still gets sold out, regardless.
The additional features and still.
Yeah. How many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
Can't count. In between, you go on your trips. But that's a
healthy amount.
I think 25 to 30 days.
Not bad. That's a good healthy amount. Yeah. Fair. What's the weirdest place from where you have worked?
We work only through co-working spaces, but maybe a cab ride in between meetings.
Yeah. Fair enough. And finally, what's your favorite social media?
Instagram for everyone, but Twitter, now X, for all the content. It's so underrated, but all founders sharing their information, and I think it's one platform that needs to be saved from the future.
Fair enough.